Okay, so I just stumbled across this idea called no build, and wow, it's a whole new approach to building C projects.
Wait, what's so revolutionary about it? I mean, aren't there tons of build systems out there already?
Exactly, but this one claims you only need a C compiler to build your project. No make files, no CMake, just pure C.
Hold on, that's wild. So how does it actually work? Like, what's the logic behind it?
It's pretty straightforward. You bootstrap your build system using the C compiler, then use that to build everything else.
So it's like writing shell scripts, but in C. That sounds both interesting and complex.
Totally. The aim is to make builds more portable. Imagine running it on different systems without changing much.
Wow, I can see how huge that would be. Portability has always been a nightmare with different dependencies.
Right. And think about it, if you're using C to build your project, you can reuse code from your build system as well.
Oh, that's really interesting because it could streamline a lot of development for C projects.
Exactly. But it does come with some caveats. If you're used to complex build systems with lots of modules, this isn't for you.
So it requires a certain level of comfort with C, huh? That makes sense.
For sure. It's not just plug and play. You've got to be prepared to implement things yourself.
But that kind of challenge could really help sharpen your skills, don't you think?
Definitely. It forces you to understand your code more deeply. But do you think this is something developers would embrace?
I mean, maybe. But convince me, why call it no build if it's actually a build tool?
Great question. The creator wanted to challenge the notion of traditional build processes, like all those NoSQL or no-code trends.
I see. It's a playful poke at the complexity that's become standard in development.
Exactly. There's a bit of irony there, which is pretty clever when you think about it.
So it sounds like a cool experiment, but maybe not the ultimate solution for everyone.
Right. It's experimental, like the creator is just trying things out and seeing where it goes.
Gotcha. But I hear it works well for the author's own projects, so there's some validity there.
True, and since it's being actively used, that's a good sign it has some potential.
Plus, if you're into C, it's worth exploring how this could change your workflow.
Absolutely. It's like a new approach to an old problem. Isn't that refreshing in software development?
For sure. Developers are always looking for better ways to do things, especially with builds.
And you have to wonder what this might mean for other languages too. Could it be translated?
Oh wow, that could really shake things up across the board. Imagine implementing this idea in Java.
Right? If successful, it could lead to a whole new standard for building across multiple languages.
But I wonder, could this simplicity lead to limitations down the line?
That's a good point. Simplicity is great, but sometimes you lose depth and features in the process.
Exactly, but who knows? This could inspire a whole new wave of tools that prioritize ease of use.
And it might push traditional tools to innovate as well, which would be beneficial.
Absolutely. Competition often leads to better options for developers.
So if we put all this together, what's the main takeaway here?
Basically, no build challenges conventional build systems by simplifying things to just a C compiler.
Right? It's an experiment that might just inspire a shift in how we think about building software.
And who knows? Maybe it'll lead us to a more efficient future in development.
But it also makes me wonder, what other outdated processes could we be rethinking?
Oh, that's such a thought-provoking question. There's probably a lot we can improve.
Exactly. Let's keep this curiosity alive. What other innovations are waiting to be discovered?